The Sequoia has always been a full-size 3-row SUV built on the Tundra's chassis. That won't change with the 2023 model year. The rest does. The new Sequoia is significantly more modern than the old second-generation Sequoia it replaces. On the Sequoia, the iForce Max hybrid powertrain combines a 3.4-liter V6 engine and an electric motor for 437 horsepower. It has a huge touchscreen and a wide interior with seating for up to 8 passengers. This should help it compete with the Chevy Tahoe and Ford Expedition. The Sequoia comes equipped with the iForce Max hybrid powertrain, a twin-turbo 3.4-liter V6 engine and an electric motor combined to create 437 horsepower and 583 pounds of torque. The Sequoia SUV gets the Tundra's 10-speed automatic powertrain. Four-wheel drive is optional on most models, but standard on the off-road-oriented TRD Pro. Off-road features include improved shocks, front skid plate, locking rear differential, and alternative 18-inch wheels. The outdated touchscreen layout of the original Sequoia has been replaced by the huge 14-inch touchscreen found in the Tundra. This screen is standard on all models except the base SR5 and will use Toyota's latest infotainment software, which includes smartphone mirroring and other connectivity features like a Wi-Fi hotspot and different music streaming options. The new Sequoia's interior is huge and luxurious, featuring a third row of seats as standard. Second-row captain's chairs reduce the number of seats to 7 and are available as an option. The interior trim levels range from cotton to leather upholstery, with variable amounts of wood and chrome trim as you move up the pricing scale. The second-row seats can be heated and cooled, and a panoramic sunroof is available.